subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Last year, Samsung has launched its affordable Galaxy A01 smartphone, and now the company is reported to launch another smartphone under the same lineup as Galaxy A01 CORE. Recently, there were several leaks of Galaxy A01 CORE smartphone, and now the renders of the phone has surfaced online by a popular leakster event blast that reveals the first look of the smartphone. According to leak renders, the Galaxy A01 CORE will have a classic old display with a selfie camera at the top under the thick bezels. The rear panel of the phone appears to have rich design pattern that carries single camera setup including LED flash at the top left corner. The volume rockers along with the power button is visible on the right edge, while the left appears to be bare. The leak renders also suggest the phone to come in red and blue color options. Talking about the specifications, according to leaks, the Galaxy A01 CORE is expected to feature a 5.14-inch display with HD+ resolution. Under the hood, the phone is said to come powered by MediaTek MT6739WW chipset paired with 1GB of RAM. On the software front, the handset will run on Android 10 that will likely be based on Samsung's One UI skin on top. Apart from this, there is no other details of Galaxy A01 CORE has leaked so far, and we will have to wait for the official confirmation from the company. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Galaxy A01 CORE smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.